Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable checking card status on Capital One, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable checking your card status on Capital One, start by visiting the Capital One website. Look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password into the respective fields. If you haven't registered yet, click on the Setup Online Access link. Follow the prompts to create your online account. Once signed in, navigate to the Account Services section. Locate the Card Status feature. Click on it to view your card's current status. If you're using the Capital One mobile app, open the app on your device. Log in using your Capital One credentials. Tap on the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Select your specific card account. You will find the option to check your card status within the account details. If needed, update your contact information to receive status updates. Make sure to keep your phone number and email address current. This will ensure you receive notifications about your card. Should you encounter any issues, consider contacting Capital One customer service. Look for the Contact Us option on the website for assistance. Follow these steps to easily check your card status anytime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.